Lake Cebu's Seven Falls in South Cotabato, Philippines is a series of 7 majestic waterfalls, each with its own unique character. Offering a prime ecotourism destination, visitors can experience the falls, which are surrounded by lush rainforest, through the famous Seven Falls zip line, a 2-section ride providing a spectacular aerial view of the waterfalls and the tropical landscape. The area is also culturally significant, being the ancestral domain of the Tiboli and Ubo tribes, and a major source of livelihood, offering opportunities to observe their culture and cuisine. The Lake Cebu Seven Falls zipline offers a thrilling way to see the falls from above, with 2 sections of ziplining over the waterfalls. The zipline in Lake Cebu is known as the Seven Falls Zipline, famous for being one of the highest and longest in Southeast Asia, offering breathtaking views of the region's waterfalls. The ride involves 2 legs. The first zipline ride reaches a height of approximately 600 feet, or around 183 meters, making it one of the highest in Southeast Asia. It also spans a distance of about 1,950 feet and higher than the second zipline, approximately 300 meters long, and reaches a height of around 180 meters. Visitors see up to 4 of the 7 waterfalls during the adventures. Zipline adventures and 7 falls in Barangay Liklahi, Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. Tara, laag na ta. Conquer your fears. Let's ride the zipline in Lake Cebu.